What's good? Back at it with another fucking Rivals gameplay. Let's go, dog. This shit's fun as fuck. This shit's addicting. I like it. Let's go. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's fast paced as fuck. I like it. This shit's addicting. You hear me? Yeah. Yeah. Like when it comes to my dear, that's what she said. It's addicting. Talking about, yeah. It's addicting. That's you're the addicting. Yeah. Okay. Look at my fucking shit's already tripping, bro. Let's go. Yeah, bitch. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. You hear me? Let's go. Whoa. Already with the nades, huh? You little bitch. Damn it. Okay. You got one. No problem. Oh, you got a chainsaw. Oh. You have a gut and a belly too? Are you fat like him? Oh, okay. Hey, can you jump? Wait. What the fuck? Oh, you can't jump over there? Let's go, bro! Why he with you, boy? Why he with you, boy? Yeah, boy. Yeah. Sit down, boy. Sit down. Yeah. Shiba. Oh, yes. Shiba. Oh my god, bro. Shiba. What? Come on! Oh my god, bro. Come on, dog. Oh my god. Bitch ass, bro. You want me to use my guns like this, huh, boy? Yeah. Shiba. No! Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Come on, bitch. Come on. Stop playing me! Oh my god. He used that grenade on my fucking head when he jumps, huh? Okay, whatever. Let's go. Next one, bro. Next one, dog. Yeah. What's your pumpkin hair looking at out of here, bro? Yeah. Pull that grenade on that bitch. Yeah. No. Oh, yeah. Cool. Dog, I really don't like using the guns, bro. I just like using my fist for it, you feel me? But, whatever. If the fist's not working, I'll use my gun here. Hold up. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Because when I use my guns, I swear to God, oh, that bitch be spraying everywhere, bro. That bitch inaccurate as fuck. That bitch be spraying all over the place like a sprinkler, you heard me? That bitch be spraying all over the place like my dick, you hear me? Fuck. Oh my God, bro. I'm not even fucking... What the fuck? What are you doing? What the fuck? There's purple fires? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Dude, all I want to do is get a fucking nade kill. Oh, no, it's so close! Did I get you? What are you doing? I stand over your body in suspension. What? I'm looking down over your body while you're in suspension. What? Like you're in fucking school, you got suspended, bro. In suspension, bro. What? How many of these do you have? Oh my god, this is kind of close, bro. This is kind of easy math so far. This fucking, but it's a girl though. Bitch! What the fuck? Shiba. That makes me sound real artificial. Yeah, what I just said, that sounds real artificial, real bad, bro. I put my ball in her face, bro. Fuck. I got another ball right here, my grenade. You got that? Yeah. Did you give up? You quit? Come on. What? I thought you rage quit, bitch. For real. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh shit, bitch. Yes, bitch. Yes. Right about there. Here. Oh, bitch. You're not playing aggressive like me. I'm aggressive as fuck. What are you doing? What the hell happened, bro? We got at the same time, bro. Dog, I think like I always throw my nade first. Oh, you're staying in here. You're staying in here. You're staying in here. You're staying in here. Oh my god! Stop! 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 Oh my god! No! Fuck, bitch. Shiba. Y'all, I really should use... No, I'm not using my gun, bro. She's not using her gun either. I ain't finna use mine. Okay, so she's expecting the grenade. Don't throw your shit! Just hands, bro. Just hands. Just hands. Just hands. Just hands. Just hands. Just hands. Just hands, bitch. Just hands, bitch. Just hands, bitch. Just hands, bitch. Just hands! Shiba! 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 Yes, bro. Hey, I was just playing this Macaw PCA bitch. Yeah, bruh. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. Dude, fuck. I saw a rainbow. Oh, shit. You know what that means? I think I'm up in my rank because these motherfuckers are getting more hard to do. Okay, wait. Okay, this might be a skunk. This might be a fucking skunk, bitch. Let's go, bitch. Shiba, where you at, Shiba? Hey, Shiba, look at me, Shiba. Hey, Shiba. Hey, Shiba. Look at Shiba, it's me. Konnichiwa, Shiba. Konnichiwa. Shiba. Konnichiwa, Shiba. Yeah, this motherfucker gonna rage quit, bro. Oh. Are you scared? You scared? You're staying here with me? You can't be in close range with me, bruh. This little kid, Baba, what? Is fucking... Oh, man. Oh, I just love a skunk, bro. I don't like how it smells, but I just love a skunk, bro. You gotta love this shit, bitch. Oh! You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Dog. Oh my god, bro. Let me make this jump, bro. Oh my god, dog. This is out of control, bro. Bro! Oh my god. What? Wait, that's how you do that? I'm so confused right now. What I be trying to do? Oh, just hands, bitch. Just hands, bitch. Just hands. Just hands. Oh, that was so close. Oh my god, one shot left. Bro, I'm trying to hold the grenade, like, you feel me? And then just so when I throw it, explodes. But I don't know if that's the case. No! Why is it so easy? Oh, so, yeah. Okay, bet. That's good to know. Because I just been throwing that bitch. Waiting for that bitch to explode for me. But, bet. Cool. No problem. Yeah, man. Yeah. I've been anticipating the grenade explode. That's how, like, she anticipate when, you know, it's gonna explode. In her face. Yeah. What's the made of your hand? Damn, my thighs look thick as fuck. That's not 24-hour fitness. That's fucking... That's the other gym. Fuck. Alright, I'm out this bitch. This shit's addicting as fuck. I love it. What's it called? If you liked it, everybody who liked it, I love y'all. If you didn't like it, fuck yeah!